It's a snow day right here. You can see how snow it is. It's coming down thick and fast, and that's how snow comes. We're gonna have a few inches of snow today. My fellow, have a look at it. That's good. You can see here on the deck how much it is. It's still coming from up. You can look above if you have good eyes. Yeah, it's a snow day. Not too cold, but it's snowing. Snow day. It's snowing day. It's raining snow, not water. You can see. Let me catch one. No. Go in there. Flakes.